In recent weeks, trillions of Shiba Inu tokens have disappeared from major crypto exchanges, leaving many traders and analysts stunned by the sheer scale of these movements. This sudden drop in available tokens has sparked intense speculation across the crypto community, with some wondering if this could be the start of something big for SHIB. This isn't just market noise, it's a seismic shift that could mark a new era for SHIB. The landscape is changing, and what we're witnessing might be the early signs of a major transformation in the Shiba Inu ecosystem. While many still see Shiba Inu as a meme, the numbers reveal a story of massive financial moves and a fiercely committed community. Behind the jokes and memes lies a network of investors and developers working tirelessly to push SHIB forward, and the data is starting to reflect their efforts. Today on Shiba Insights, we'll break down why these huge token movements matter, what they mean for SHIB's price, and how you can make sense of it all. We'll also explore the strategies that big players are using and what retail investors should watch for in the coming weeks. Imagine a market where half the apples vanish overnight, prices surge as supply drops. The same principle applies to cryptocurrencies. When tokens become scarce, demand can quickly outpace supply, leading to dramatic price movements. That's what's happening with SHIB. The shrinking supply is creating a sense of urgency among investors, and the price charts are starting to reflect this new reality. Whales are pulling trillions of tokens off exchanges, signaling long-term confidence and reducing available supply. These large holders are betting on SHIB's future, and their actions are sending a powerful message to the market. This is the starting point of our investigation, a real-world event with real consequences. We'll dig deeper into the data and uncover what's really driving these massive moves. Let's connect the dots and see if you're missing out on one of crypto's most exciting opportunities. Stay tuned as we unravel the story behind Shiba Inu's new dawn and what it could mean for your portfolio. Let's get specific. The story of SHIB's recent movement is more than just numbers on a screen. It's a fascinating look at how market dynamics can shift in real time. Over the past month, more than 50 trillion SHIB tokens, worth hundreds of millions of dollars, have been withdrawn from major exchanges like Coinbase and Binance. This isn't just a blip. It's a massive migration of tokens out of the public marketplace. When tokens leave exchanges for private wallets, they're effectively taken off the market, creating what's known as a supply shock. This means there are suddenly far fewer tokens available for trading. Fewer tokens available means more competition among buyers, driving prices up, just like a limited edition sneaker drop, where scarcity fuels demand and excitement. Many of these tokens are now sitting in decentralized wallets or staked on Shibarium, SHIB's own blockchain layer. This further reduces the liquid supply, making it even harder for new buyers to get in at current prices. Staking not only locks up tokens, but also strengthens the SHIB ecosystem and rewards holders with additional tokens or benefits, encouraging long-term commitment. The data's clear. Major investors and institutions are accumulating SHIB, not selling. They're positioning themselves for what they believe could be a more profitable future, showing strong conviction in the project's potential. For everyday investors, this shrinking supply means the window to buy SHIB at current prices may be closing faster than expected. The opportunity to enter before the next big move could be slipping away. As scarcity grows, entry points rise, making it more expensive to get in as time goes on. This is a classic case of supply and demand at work. This isn't about FOMO or hype. It's about understanding the underlying market mechanics that drive price action and investor behavior. The trend is clear. Those with the most capital and experience are positioning for a major move, quietly accumulating while the market watches. The question is, will you follow their lead, or wait until the opportunity has passed? The implications are profound for anyone watching the SHIB market. This could be a pivotal moment for both new and seasoned investors. This accumulation signals strong conviction from the biggest players, and often where the smart money goes, the market tends to follow. The next phase for SHIB could be just beginning, with new opportunities and challenges on the horizon. The only question left is, are you ready to act on this powerful market signal, or will you watch from the sidelines as the next chapter unfolds? Let's talk numbers. Numbers that could change your life. SHIB's low price means you can buy millions of tokens with a modest investment. Imagine owning millions of tokens for just a few dollars. For example, at 5/10,000ths of a dollar per token, a $1,000 investment gets you 20 million SHIB. That's a lot of tokens for a relatively small amount of money. If SHIB drops a zero and hits 5,000ths, that $1,000 becomes $10,000, a tenfold return. Imagine the possibilities with such a return on investment. If it reaches half a cent, your 20 million SHIB would be worth $100,000. That's a significant leap from your initial investment. The dream? 1 cent per token. That would turn $1,000 into $200,000. A life-changing amount for many. Even a $5,000 investment could make you a millionaire if SHIB hits that mark. The potential is enormous. Of course, nothing is guaranteed. Crypto is risky. The market is volatile and can change rapidly. But these numbers show why SHIB excites so many. The potential for high returns is what draws investors in. The combination of low price, strong community, and shrinking supply creates explosive potential. It's a unique mix that's hard to ignore. This is the math fueling the SHIB movement. The numbers tell a compelling story. Everyday investors see a chance for life-changing gains. It's an opportunity that many are eager to seize. That's why the SHIB army keeps growing. The community is strong and passionate. The opportunity is real, if you're willing to take the risk. The potential rewards are there for those who dare to dream. What do the experts say? Many analysts are bullish on SHIB for the next few years, citing token burns, Shibarium adoption, and the ongoing supply shock. Some forecasts see SHIB doubling within a year, deleting another zero. Looking to 2030, predictions range from 0.0 thousand on 0 to 0.000 a potential 20x to 150x return. The most ambitious models, factoring in mass crypto adoption, see a path to 1 cent by 2040. These forecasts aren't guarantees, but they show growing conviction among professionals. The fact that SHIB is taken seriously by analysts is a testament to its evolution. The smart money is watching closely. Beyond price speculation, Shiba Inu's real strength is its relentless development. Shibarium processes millions of transactions, ShibaSwap offers decentralized trading, and new projects in gaming and the metaverse are on the way. Lead developer Satoshi Kusama's vision. We're building a global standard, not just a token. Hundreds of projects now build on Shibarium, adding value and utility. Each new app increases demand for Bone, drives more transactions, and burns more SHIB. This creates a cycle: more development, more utility, more users, higher value. Unlike other meme coins, SHIB delivers real products and services. SHIB is evolving from a speculative asset to a true utility token. You can use it for fees, NFTs, governance, and games. This transition is key to SHIB's long-term survival. The ecosystem is what sets SHIB apart. To understand SHIB, go back to its mysterious origins. Created in 2020 by the anonymous Ryoshi, SHIB was an experiment in decentralized community building. No tokens for the founder, all for the people. Ryoshi's radical approach inspired millions and set SHIB apart from the start. He famously gave half the supply to Ethereum's Vitalik Buterin, who burned most and donated the rest, cementing SHIB's legend. The SHIB army is built on decentralization, ownership, and resilience. This is more than investing. It's a social movement. Ryoshi has vanished, leaving the project in the community's hands. Today, leaders like Satoshi Kusama carry the torch, turning Ryoshi's experiment into a global phenomenon. SHIB's story proves that decentralized communities can change the world. From humble beginnings, a movement was born. We've explored the data, the math, and the story behind SHIB's explosive rise. Trillions of tokens are off the market, experts are bullish, and the ecosystem is thriving. SHIB is no longer just a meme, it's a serious contender with real-world utility. It's a high-risk, high-reward asset, best suited for those with a long-term view and appetite for big bets. The decision to invest is personal. Do your research and know your risk tolerance. The next chapters for SHIB could be the most exciting yet. Keep learning, stay curious, and engage with the community. Thanks for joining Shiba Insights. Let's see where the future takes us.